All right, guys, welcome to day 2 of our 30 days video editing series. Now, yesterday we cleaned up our videos, we removed mistakes, added captions, and made everything look neat. But today we're taking it to the next level because right now your clips might still feel a bit jumpy, and that's where transitions come in. But before that, hi, I'm Joyce-May. I help you turn simple, boring videos into clean, professional, scroll-stopping content, even if you're just starting out. If that's something you want, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now because trust me, you don't want to miss any single day of this series.
So let's open our CapCut together. You go to the CapCut. Like I said, if you don't have CapCut, you can install it through your Play Store. I say that in our day 1 class. So now we're already in CapCut dashboard, which we already know if you follow the day 1. So now the next thing, we have to import our new video. From here, we're going to select the video we want to work on.
Okay, I'm coming.
So she's the one again. Yes. What's going on?
Don't ask me stupid questions.
I think this is cool.
Okay, I'm coming.
So now we add this. So the next thing now is to add another video clip, so that we'll do the transition. I think that's why we're here. So
things started changing slowly. Kunle became distant, cold, and then
I guess this movie is coming up very soon. So now the next thing, now you see that, let's play our video so that you understand that gap, and that's where transition comes in, so that your video looks professional. And
so she's the one again. What's going on?
Watch a lot of videos that when they play, it will skip like this.
Things started changing.
You understand?
Slowly.
You've seen the difference. You've seen what I'm talking about, right? Because now, but the way I generate my own scene, I'm going to make a video about that, my own, from the image generation, from the animation. Before I animate my video, there is a trick I normally do, so that if I take it to CapCut, I don't need all this stress of, or maybe I don't need to waste time adding transition. The thing that is already in a good and smooth and professional way. So, but since this one is like this, you can see it skipped.
Things started changing.
Clip. So now you click on this. You click on this box. This one between the first clip and the second clip. This one here. You click on it. You're going to see so many transitions. It all depends on the one you want and the one that will fit our videos very well. So sometimes I use this quick dazzle.
Things started changing.
I use this quick dazzle, so quick tips, please don't always make it too long. Don't increase the duration to be that long, the effect to be that long. I think sometimes 2 seconds, 3 seconds is okay. So anyhow you want to do it, you can see it below here. It gets up to 5 seconds. If you want the full 5 seconds, so you see that it's starting from where
things started changing.
So it's too much.
Slowly.
So now let's try.
Things started changing.
Yeah, this is cool. This is cool. At 0. This is cool. I think this is 1.2 seconds.
Things started changing.
This is cool. So the same thing, if you want this one is a snap back, and we don't need this for this particular one. Like I say, it depends on the kind of video, the video you're editing. So sometimes you will need this. So sometimes you will need it to swipe like this. You can imagine you doing a product advert or something like that. So you might need this effect. To classic, they have different. They have new. They have hits. They have overlay. So this overlay now, you can see mix. So the thing mix it. Then you can see black fade. Now this black fade. So I think this one is when I really love it when, like, you want to show the next day. So this one now is more like the next day. I think this one is cool. the black field. So this one now is the next day, because at this point, at the first clip, she was putting on a different clothes. So this actually makes sense. So let's watch our video and see.
Questions. Things started changing slowly.
Wow.
Kunle became distant, cold, and then there was someone else.
Wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful.
Okay, I'm coming.
So she's the one again. What's going on?
Don't ask me stupid questions. Things started changing slowly. Kunle became distant, cold, and then there was someone else. Okay,
now the video flows
so she's the one again.
Instead of jumping.
What's going on?
Now
Don't
that part is
questions.
no longer skipping again, so it makes our video looks professional.
Things started changing
clean.
slowly. Kunle
Now I want to say that these small details, like it looks like a small thing, but it's what makes your video looks very expensive. And another tip I want to say is, please don't always put too much transition in your video. It makes video looks messy. Sometimes less is more. So little transition makes it, small transition makes it look more professional, not too much. So you see that, of course, I just feel like watching this video again because.
So she's the one again.
Yeah, this is
what's going
so
on?
Cool. This is so cool. And if you want to learn faceless content, how to generate and how to create your video step by step, I'll going to please leave a comment on the comment section below, or you can reach out to DM me and I will create a tutorial about that for you. Now your day 2 assignment. Yes, there's assignment. Take the video you edited yesterday and add smooth transition between your clips. Keep it simple, then watch how your video transforms. So if you enjoyed this, make sure you follow and subscribe, because in day 3 I will show you how to add effects that will make your videos pop. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.